You must have heard about the best text to video or image to video platforms out there, Pika Labs and RunwayML. But I bet you this Prome AI is going to give them a run for their money. Prome AI is an image generation platform and also a video generation platform. They have a lot of tools, and we're just going to get started with this. And towards the middle of this video, we're going to be comparing this Prome AI versus RunwayML and Pika Labs to see which one has better image to video or text to video capabilities. And let's just get started. As you can see right off the bat, Prome AI has a lot of samples, beautiful samples that look really, really good and really, really inspiring. You can see they have image generation, sketch rendering, AI image generation, creative fusion, image variation, photo to sketch. There are a lot of tools. They have image to video as well and text to video. So we're just going to try their image to video first. Now you can see this image quality is like really, really good, and you can see the video quality is like really, really good. This is like amazing compared to what we have out there, and this is completely free to use. And you can scroll down and you can see other videos, other generations that people have actually generated. And let's look at this interior. This interior is really, really smooth. You can see the pan and the zoom in / pan movement, and it is really, really, really good. This is like a really good tool. We're going to be comparing this tool with RunwayML and Pika Labs. Look at this realistic image of a woman here. The eyes look weird, but overall it's like a good image. This is Leo and the Matrix, and let's look for something different. Let's try this lady swimming. This beautiful lady swimming. See the consistency. This is amazing. Look at how the water flows at the top of her head. This is really, really good. This image is amazing. This tool is wonderful. So we're just going to try an image that I generated a while ago, and we're just going to try to see the image to video capability, and we're going to be comparing it with RunwayML and Pika Labs. Here you can see it focused more on the background. There's a little twitch in the eye, but I think I'm loving this. The background has a lot of motion, and for some reason, Pika Labs, after 4 months, they finally gave me access. So we're just going to be trying Pika Labs with the same image. Good thing they gave me access now, because this is going to be a comparison. So we're going to drag and drop the image in Pika Lab, and we're going to generate. Let's see what Pika Lab does. And we're also going to try RunwayML as well. Could go to RunwayML and try for free, and go to start with image. We're just going to drag and drop our image into RunwayML and click generate 4 seconds, and we're going to wait while both of them load. This is Prome AI. This is Prome AI, and this is Pika Labs. Pika Labs gave it life, gave the eyes. You can see the eyes are blinking, and you can see there's movement, a little bit of movement, and the eyes are blinking, and the lips moved in Pika Labs. This is the RunwayML went for a kind of perspective view. RunwayML is always doing this. This is Pika Labs. I think Pika Labs is the best, but I do not like the image quality, as I think Prome AI did a better job with maintaining the image quality, while RunwayML just did a weird movement. So this is going to be where we're testing text to video generation, and we're going to be typing a Nubian queen in the forest with fairies flying all around her. And this is the generation that Pika Lab generated. It's like really, really cheesy and really weird. While this is the generation that Prome AI generated. This Prome AI is like amazing. You can see how consistent the image is. This is RunwayML. RunwayML, the anatomy of the lady looks weird. But I think they're both better than Pika Labs. Pika Labs did the worst. We're going to tweak the prompt a little bit, and we're just going to generate the same prompt. We're just going to add a photorealistic image to see what we get. Let's wait to see what they generate. So this is the generation of RunwayML. As you can see, it looks really cinematic and wonderful, but the anatomy of the character is actually weird. You can see her hands and her eyes are really quite weird. They're not like as consistent as Prome. This is Prome. Prome did a really good job. You can see how realistic it looks and how her whole entire anatomy is consistent. There's no weird artifacts in the image and the video. You can see how consistent it is with the background and the motion. I think Prome AI is actually the best when it comes to text to image right now. For some reason, Pika Labs has refused to generate the video, so I'm going to click it again and wait. Okay, now it's actually generating. That's weird. So this is the generation of Pika Labs. This is by far the weirdest. Well, I think it did an okay job as it went for a general complete image, but while the others were going for portraits, and I think Prome AI is the GOAT when it comes to text to video, second to RunwayML, because RunwayML seems to mess up the characters always, while Pika Labs is just weird. So there are other tools on Prome AI. You can go for they have a relighting tool, an outpainting, which is like an uncrop tool. They have image generation, sketch, creative fusion, image variation. We're going to use the image variation to get a different variation of our input image. Let's see what we're going to get. Let's see what it's going to generate. We're going to use our input image, and yes, this slider controls how you want the variation to be, how close you want it to be from the original image, or how far you want it to be from the original image. As you can see, the variation is somewhere around 70 or 65, but the image looks like it's in the same style and it's a similar character, but the actual character is a totally different person. And I think I'm loving this. The generation looks really, really high, like really high quality. The quality is like really, really top notch. The quality is amazing. It looks really crisp. So we're going to be using this AI supermodel to see different variations of the same character, and you can just select the places from the character that you do not want to change. Like I just selected the face and the hair and part of the chest and the neck, and you can select what style you want to go for and the hairstyle and whatever. But I just want her accessories to change in this scenario. I want her accessories to change. I don't want to change any other thing. So let's see what we're going to get. As you can see, it has changed her necklace and her earpiece, her earrings and her necklace. It changes to something totally different from what she had on, because that was what I wanted to change, and I selected the areas I didn't want to change. As you can see, you can come right now and you can play with this tool. It's an amazing tool. I think it's like one of the best tools out there. I would rather use this than use Pika Labs. I think this is like a really good tool. Pika Labs is like really good. It's like the GOAT, but this is an amazing tool.